Hey guys, Tats for Life is here, and today we got another YouTube video for you. Another how-to video. How to remove your headlight switch out of a 99 to 04 Mustang. So let's get started. Okay, first thing you want to do is, I done got this loose. You pull on this, it's going to be a little stub one. You got a little clip it goes into, and it pretty much pulls right out. Take that knob off. Second thing you want to do, you got two bolts. I'm pretty sure it's a star head, but we are using a socket on them. And that is 7mm. So you want to take your 7mm socket and remove this bezel. Now on the headlight switch, you have got two bolts, one and one. What you want to do is take your fancy dandy little 7mm, which is the same thing you use. Just take your bezel off and undo your bolts. And then we pull it out, and then you can undo your plug-in. As you can see, it's got two tabs on it. You got to mash up on both sides, so I'm going to have to pretty much stop recording. Okay guys, we got the headlight switches all out. Pretty simple. I hope this video you find helpful. If you ain't never did it before, it's pretty straightforward. You shouldn't be able to mess anything up. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more how-to videos and all different kinds of content, because I upload something new every day, sometimes twice, sometimes 3 times a day. So there's always something new for you to enjoy and watch, and until next time, I'll see you then.